Welcome back, everybody, to day 2. We've got one more connection to make down here, and then we're going to test the system up, and hopefully we won't have any leaks. We're going to have to do the electrical stuff too, and that's going to be on the agenda today. Last connection is in place. I'm going to let that dry a little bit. And then it is time to move on to the pressure test. I'm thinking everything should be okay. We will know in a little bit. Good news, under pressure we don't seem to have any leaks. I have number 3 on here, which waters all of the exterior planter boxes. So I'm happy about that. It's very important that we don't have any leaks here. So installation looks good. Let's go check the planter box here, see if we're getting any output. I know over there I have a leak. You can see it bouncing up. There it is. We're getting, oh boy, we're getting output. First time in a long time. These things need to be adjusted and cleaned a little bit, but I am happy with that. So now we've got to set up the back here. Here's where the leak is over here. Take a while for that to pressure down, but you can see it dripping through. Waste that water. Getting hot. I went ahead and popped the line on here to make the corner, which is fine. It's going to run back and forth depending on what I plant over in these areas. For now, I'm leaving this one undone over here. I just have that pinched off, so I'm just going to wait on that one, maybe for a late crop. I'm going to put the off feeds here now, and then we'll be ready to get some water onto the back. Okay, I got that blocked off over there. I don't see any apparent leaks. I've turned the water system back on and show you guys a very beautiful sight over here. Look at that. Firing away. Like that. Isn't that nice? Everything's all watering right in there. Nice auto. Look at the row crops over here. We're going to get a nice distribution. And then I added the tomatoes over here. Looking good. Now we just have to work on the electrical. Here is a pretty sight. Ooh. Let's watch this. Put this on auto enter. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Oh, what a beautiful sight. Let's push it to the B station. And there we go on the B side there. And the C side for the planter boxes. We are looking good. Oh, what a journey, guys. What a journey. I think we can comfortably bring this over and backfill it. Yes, I will be adding a protective cover on top of that. Not immediately. I think I may actually leave it uncovered just to be sure for a few days. But let's go see that beautiful watering in the back. Man, I am so psyched. This is looking good. This is really a load off my mind. Really a load. Let's turn that dripper on. Make sure these babies are wide open. Yep. Happy to see a little puddling here. Yeah, we'll have to do some weeding, but look at how nice this is now. This whole box is getting done. Wow, what a beautiful sight. Carrots, onions. It's better than I thought it would be, to tell you the truth. So we got the other boxes to do. That's gonna be it, guys, for the watering system work. So your thumbs up are appreciated. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications as we go out with a little bit of music here from the hood, the Rancho. Have a great day.